Dear viewers and investors who's interested to invest into the NASDAQ, follow us on the YouTube. This prediction which we are giving will be valid from the 7th Feb 2022 till 12th Feb 2022 by the end of the day. Vridhi Finance presenting NASDAQ prediction for composite index and absolutely NASDAQ 100. If you see the last week performance is pretty good as comparing as to the volatility into the market. It has shows that basically starting from 13,800 till it has gone and touch up to 14,098.01 point at maximum peak, and then again it is falls down and it has come back to around below the 13,900. If you see the composite index has showing the curve and it is amazingly they give the volatility, so you can buy out on the end of the week. So dear viewers, if you really interested that our analysis somewhere how much it is touched around that, not at all, but we have increased it. Yeah, this time we are failed to deliver it, but we have achieved somewhere other part. If you see the NASDAQ curves over in NASDAQ 100, it has started on the Monday itself from below the above the 14,400 points, and then it has gone up to 15,173.03 on the Wednesday. So if you see, we have given somewhere around that, means the figure has choose is 14,800, but it has touched above that the NASDAQ 100. So in case of, if you see that whatever we have given a predictions for the low rate, it has not achieved, just only upper end prediction has achieved by the NASDAQ. And absolutely we are not claiming because we did not meet whatever we have predicted. One, the stability of the market and the volatility of the market, somehow somewhere it has started not from the falling, but NASDAQ 100 show the rising trend over here, and the market correction shows that probably it has some sort of bubble, as other analysts says that. But over here we can say this, it seems like the correction in NASDAQ 100 and NASDAQ composite index. So hopefully you will like it our video, and in that case we have this week predictions. Well, prediction for NASDAQ composite index and COM and NASDAQ 100 NDX. We are expecting this prediction will be valid from 31st January 2022 till 5th Feb 2022. Dear investors and viewers, this time we will see more volatility in the NASDAQ composite index. Hopefully it can goes up to maximum higher end. We are expecting 14,600. If it has been stabilized, it can be stabilized between 13,750, 13,800, around that figure. And suppose it has gone down, it can touch up to 13,450 or 13,550 even, but probably it will show the uptrend, where if you see NASDAQ 100, we are expecting NASDAQ 100 may show the downturn over here rather than showing the upturn over here. So we are expecting it can goes up to 14,850 round plus, and suppose it has been get stabilized over here, it can goes up to 14,250, and suppose it has gone down and down, it can go below touching 13,700 points only. So you hopefully this volatility will remain sustained according to us. Dear viewers, this is a prediction, it can be fail also, so just wait and watch. Dear viewers, prediction by Vridhi Finance for NASDAQ Composite Index and NASDAQ 100, which will be valid from the 7th Feb till 12th Feb 2022. So watch out. The NASDAQ may be performed pretty well, and this time we are expecting NASDAQ Composite Index shows some sort of a high trending one, and it has gone up. Then it will touch about around 14,350 above, or 14,500 around that, but probably it has been stabilized over 14,000 around that, and suppose it can fall down, then it can touch up to 13,900. The viewers, if you see NASDAQ 100 predictions, Vridhi Finance is presenting the pretty one, as comparing as again the last week's analysis, we can see is that it may show the uptrend over the downtrend or the flat trend. Over here, we are expecting NASDAQ 100 might shows the higher end price, higher end point in the chart analysis, probably 14,950 it may cross it, and it can be stabilized around 14,550. Suppose this has shows the downtrend, it can touch up to 14,000 or 14,200 even. But probability we can say it shows the uptrend only. Hopefully, NASDAQ prediction this time comes true, guys. Thank you, by Vridhi Finance. We will come back to you with the crypto blush, flush, crypto blush. And you will find a lot of videos about that, guys. Wait and watch. On crypto blush, we will show some magic, but there should be the competition, and the competition will not end chaotic situations. So hopefully this time we will see the positivity into the market over the negativity.